Lumagda ang DPWH ng kasunduan sa PCC at AMLA upang mapabilis ang pagbawi ng pera mula sa mga maanumalyang proyekto, partikular sa flood control. Ayon kay PCC Chairman Michael Aguinaldo, pwede nilang maibalik ang pera sa pamamagitan ng multa laban sa mga kontratistang sangkot sa bid rigging na isang uri ng pandaraya o sabuatan sa proseso ng bidding o public procurement. Maaring umabot daw sa daan-daang bilyong piso ang maibabalik at prioridad ng PCC ang mga sangkot sa flood control projects.
Yeah, for the first offense, minimum of 110 million. And it can go as high as 250 million depending on circumstances involved. And that's for each offense. And so when Secretary Lins was saying na pwedeng umabot sa so many hundreds of billions, posible po talaga, if we're able to show for each case na may violation talaga, if you add them all up, pwedeng umabot talaga ng ganung kalaki.
100 million to 200, 110 million to 250 million per violation. Per violation yun, ha? Iyan ang kontrata ni Diskaya. Di ba, 1,000? O, computin nyo. Daang bilyon yan.
Inanunsyo naman ng AMLA na nasa 5.2 bilyong pisong halaga na ng assets ang na-freeze nila mula sa 2,000 bank accounts.
As of this morning, meron na pong 5.2 billion and we're still waiting for the submission of other bank returns and valuation of other properties that were frozen by the 6 freeze orders po. As do the individuals covered by this freeze order, as we very well know, kasama po dito ang, I cannot mention individually kung sino kasama sa freeze orders, but kasama po dito ang ilang former DPWH officials, ang contractors and their cohorts in relation to the corruption regarding the flood control projects.
Aalamin din ng AMLA kung may nakuhang pera sa mga account bago ang pag-freeze. Binibigyan sila ng Court of Appeals ng kapangyarihan na magsagawa ng bank inquiry.
Almost 2,000 bank accounts na ho ang na-freeze. Iniimbestigahan po niya through the bank inquiry ng mga AMLC investigators. Medyo matagal po yun kasi napakaraming iniimbestigahan o ini-inquire ng mga bank accounts. Malalaman po natin just after the bank inquiry, our investigators will submit a report at malalaman natin doon kung marami na na-withdraw. Kasi iisa-isahin po yung mga bank accounts na yon at titingnan kung marami na-withdraw during the period, especially the period from the time our President, during the SONA, mentioned that he intends to investigate yung mga flood control projects. Up to the time ma-issue yung mga freeze. Malalaman po natin after the completion of the bank inquiry of these bank accounts.
Samantala, ipinabubusisi ni Secretary Vince Dizon sa NBI at iba't ibang private organizations ang background ng lahat ng bagong DPWH appointees upang matiyak ang transparency at integridad ng ehensya. Sa liham niya kina NBI Director Jaime Santiago, Institute of Corporate Directors Chair Benedicta Baladad, Management Association of the Philippines President Alfredo Panlilio at Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry President Consul Inonina Mangyo, hiniling nito na makapagsagawa sila ng background check sa 14 na DPWH executives mula sa mga undersecretary hanggang sa assistant secretary ng ehensya.